Dear learners, we start our chemistry class today as usual. Before going to start my class, something for you. सिंपल सी बात बोलना चाहूंगा. सिंपल सी क्या है? If you are preparing for NEET examination, just one thing you remember. आपका इन्वॉल्वमेंट ही आपका प्रिपरेटरी मीडियम है. आप कैसे इन्वॉल्व होते हो उस पर, ठीक है. जब आप सोते हो, जब आप खाते हो, एवरीथिंग व्हाट यू सी इन योर लाइफ ऑलवेज इंटरेक्ट विद दैट एम. आप अपनी एम और ड्रीम पे जीना सीखिए. यू जस्ट डू वट एवर, डेफिनेटली दैट इज प्रोसीड टुवर्ड्स योर प्रिपरेटरी मीडियम. आप जो भी कर रहे हो जिंदगी में, हर वक्त आप जब सोते हो, आप जब खाते हो, आप जब पढ़ते हो, जहां पे भी जाते हो, सिंपली आपकी एम और ड्रीम के बारे में ही सोचना है. बहुत सारे सिचुएशंस आएगा. सिंपल सी आपको पता होगा, आइंस्टाइन ग्रेट साइंटिस्ट है. सिंपल सी वो क्या बोल रहे थे, टाइम भी एब्सोल्यूट नहीं है, वो भी रिलेटिव. तो सिचुएशन तो डेफिनेटली रिलेटिव है. हमारे लिए कुछ है, आपके लिए कुछ है, आज कुछ है, कल कुछ है. लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स आर देयर. आपको उस पर इन्वॉल्व होना है, डटे रहना है आपको एम के. वट एवर यू जस्ट डू, दिस इज फॉर योर, सिंपली फॉर योर एम. इन्वॉल्वमेंट, परफेक्टली इन्वॉल्व इन एवरी टाइम, एवरीवेयर, एवरी स्टांस. You just involve with your dream and aim. Definitely that is going to be succeed in your life. बहुत सारे सिचुएशन आएगा. आज ये क्वेश्चन हो जाएगा, कल नहीं होगा. आपको पता है, अरे ये तो बहुत इजी था लेकिन नहीं हुआ. These things also coming to in your life, no problem at all. आपको बस अपना काम करना है. सिंपल सी, मुझे खाना है, सोना है और पढ़ना है, बस. आप जब तक ये शेड्यूल मेंटेन करोगे, डेफिनेटली यू कैन क्रैक योर लाइफ. जो भी हम पढ़ाते हैं, हम भी रिसर्च करके आते हैं थोड़ा, ठीक है. हाउ यू दिस थिंग्स यू विल एक्सेप्ट इन योर माइंड. तो एक्सेप्टेंस रखना हर एक चीज में, सिंपल सी. और एवरी टाइम यू जस्ट इन्वॉल्व विथ योर ड्रीम एंड एम, डेफिनेटली यू कैन क्रैक. योर इन्वॉल्वमेंट इज योर सक्सेस. Your thinking is your success. Your dedication is your success. Just involve with that thing. At any time, anywhere, anything. Never forget these things. Always be continual. Today you spend 10 hours with study. Tomorrow definitely is 10 hour 1 minute. 1 minute extra होना जरूरी है. That is very necessary that you develop your reading skill, patience, calmness each and every day. वो आपके जिंदगी में डेफिनेटली कुछ चेंजेस लाएगा. और दैट चेंजेस आपका सक्सेस लाएगा. यू नेवर चेंज योर डेस्टिनी, बट यू कैन चेंज योर हैबिट. इफ यू कैन चेंज योर हैबिट, डेफिनेटली यू आर गोइंग टू सक्सेस. ठीक है, सिंपल सी बात है. पूरी आपके जो भी है, पूरी दिल और दिमाग से सिर्फ एंट्रेंस. डेफिनेटली यू कैन क्रैक एनी टाइम, एनीवेयर. आज मार्क आ गया एग्जाम पे, तब भी पढ़ाई करना. उसके आफ्टर नेक्स्ट डे यू जस्ट स्पेंड विद 10 आवर्स. आज नहीं आया फिर भी पढ़ना है. हमको अपना काम करना है. वट एवर द मार्क इज, क्या होता है उन्हें, सिर्फ पढ़ाई करो. डेफिनेटली वन डे यू विल गेट. ओके. So already we discussed about two principles for filling the electrons in orbitals, Aufbau principle, and so already we discussed Horn's rule and Aufbau principle. Aufbau principle, you have a knowledge about the energy cells from lower to higher, and according to Horn's rule, you have a knowledge that how the electrons are half filled and full filled electrons stable, they acquire more stability. Fine. So these things you already understood, these things. Okay. Today another concept, that is about simply Pauli's exclusion principle. What it states? The Pauli's exclusion principle states that no two electrons in one atom can have all four quantum number the same. आप simply in one atom, you just specify in one atom if you focus about electrons, they don't have 4 quantum numbers like or say. Fine. Okay. We just focus about one thing, that remember there are two kind of particles. One is macroscopic, another is microscopic. Macroscopic, these are bulkier in size. You have to calculate or analyze with that observations. Okay, we are macroscopic particles. Okay, you can observe me and find out the mass, anything, weight, anything else. But microscopic particles, these are the smaller particles. For that, we need some assumptions, we need imaginations, we need mathematical analysis. Generally, you know, chemistry is up to two types, that is about simply by applied by quantum chemistry and classical chemistry. That classical chemistry simply that related to that macroscopic, and the quantum that related to microscopic particles. Fine, okay. We have to imagine these things. Probability are used. You know, when you focus about an electron, just you know that electrons have dual natures, both wave and particle. If you focus that electron is wave-like nature, you take a function, mathematical function, that is about psi. Okay, you know already this familiar आपको इसके साथ psi square, that is the probability of finding of electron. Why does psi square means what? Simply psi into psi naught, maybe or may not. Okay, so I just want to say one thing, that you just focus the second point. As a result, the maximum number of electrons which can be present is found to be 2. If you take a single orbital, there are only 2 electrons are there. There are only 2 electrons are there, and they have definitely with opposite spin. So why these things are? If you focus, there are maybe 3 electrons. There are maybe 3 electrons. If that is like that or like that. 3 electrons, maybe with that spin and maybe with that spin, maybe clockwise spin or maybe anti-clockwise spin. Another probability that all are with parallel spin, maybe. Okay, all are with the opposite spin, no problem at all. Just one thing you focus here, the wave function, that is about psi. Okay, that mathematical wave function for an electron. So this has some wave function, the electrons have some wave function. If you find out the determinate value, what do you know about the determinate value? If 2 are identical, the determinant value is 0. That is psi is 0. That is the wave function of electron is nothing here. That means what? Simply these things are not exist, because these are identical value, these are with the same value, so that determinant value is 0. Fine. So these things are not exist. So only 2 electrons are there. If 2 electrons with same spin, also they are with identical nature. So the determinant value is 0. So what do you think, that only 2 electrons maximum in an orbital, and they have with the opposite spin. Fine. If you put the wave function value and find out the determinant value, if they are identical, that's psi, their wave function is 0. That means what? No electron is there. So if they are identical, means if you take 3 electrons, that electron with that spin or that spin, means any 2 of them are identical. So psi equal to 0. So there are only 2 electrons and with opposite spin. If they are parallel spin, again they are identical, their determinant value 0. So what you observe here, that simply by mathematical assumption or mathematical analysis or by quantum chemistry, you just understand one thing, that one orbital maximum have 2 electrons and with the opposite spin. So the spin quantum numbers are different. Fine. The spin quantum numbers are definitely different. Fine. Otherwise, if they are same, the psi is 0, means no electrons are there. That doesn't exist. So these things are exist with opposite spin. Fine. That's why आप लोग को यहाँ पे पता चल गया होगा कि सिंपली एक ऑर्बिटल पे मैक्सिमम 2 ही इलेक्ट्रॉन रहेगा, वो ऑपोजिट स्पिन करेगा. अगर सिमिलर हुआ, सेम वैल्यू हुआ, तो हम मैथमेटिकल एज्यूम्पशन पे जब डिटरमिनेंट वैल्यू निकालेंगे तब 0 आ जाएगा. आइडेंटिकल हो गया ना, तो 0 आ जाएगा. तो ऐसी चीज नहीं है. दिस थिंग्स आर नॉट एग्जिस्ट. फाइन. इफ एक्सटेंड बाय 3, that extend by 3, okay, there are, if you imagine there are 3 electrons in one orbital, they have identical value. So there is no probability. If you take like that, they have identical value. So these things are not probable, not exist. Fine. So you just understand one thing, that one orbital maximum have 2 electrons and they have with the opposite spin. Okay. So from that you understand that if you focus on atom, that one atom, that the electrons don't have 4 quantum numbers are same or like. If you focus about one orbital, spin quantum numbers are different. If you focus about 2 orbitals, magnetic quantum numbers are different. So no electrons in an atom, they have 4 quantum numbers alike. क्या होता है मैंने, आप अगर एक ही ऑर्बिटल पे आप फोकस करोगे, 2 electrons है, they have with opposite spin. That means spin quantum numbers are different. If you focus about 2 different orbitals with same spin means same spin quantum number, but magnetic quantum numbers are different. So this is the rule. First, what the Pauli's exclusion principle states that no 2 electrons in one atom can have all 4 quantum numbers same. And the second point, as a result, the maximum number of electrons which can be present is found to be 2 with opposite spin. Why? If they have with the same spin, then mathematical assumption are there. When the wave function, you just put the determinant value, that to be 0. Fine. Present is found to be 2. Number of electrons present in a subcell can also be calculated. Okay. And subcell, as subcell, from magnetic quantum number, you know that there are 1 orbital. Fine. Okay. 1 orbital, so the number of electrons is 2. In P, the L value is 1. The L value is 1. So through magnetic quantum number, it extended from minimum to maximum -1, 0, +1. So 3 orbitals. 3 orbitals, 1 orbital maximum 2 electrons, 3 orbital maximum 6 electrons. Fine. Okay. Now for d orbital, what is the L value? कैसे क्वांटम नंबर का एप्लीकेशन देखिए आप लोग, ठीक है ना, कैसे आता है वो रूल पे भी वो मेंटेन होता है. d orbital simply d subcell, d subcell. Fine. D subcell. So L value equal to 2. Okay. How these things are split from minus value to plus value, -2, -1, 0, +1, +2. There are 5 orbitals. If there are 5 orbitals, one orbital have maximum 2 electrons. There are almost 10 electrons are there. 10 electron है. ठीक. Fine है ना. और about f orbital, f subcell. Okay. About f subcell. Fine. There are 7 orbitals because L value 3, -3 to +3, -3, -2, -1, 0, +1, +2, +3. There are about 7 orbitals in F subcell. One orbital have maximum 2 electrons according to Pauli's exclusion principle, according to mathematical assumption on determinate value. Fine. So there are almost 14 electrons are there. These subcells are sharp principle, diffuse, fundamental, like that. In S, 1 orbital. P, 3 orbitals. D, 5 orbitals. In D subcell, 5 orbitals. F, 7 orbitals. Fine. So 14 electrons are there. So that is about the Pauli's exclusion principle. We discuss simply about Aufbau principle, Horn's rule, Pauli's exclusion principle. In Aufbau principle, the basic theme is about Slachter's rule, or to find out the effective nuclear charge. The electron in the outermost shell that can influenced by the nucleus after calculating the shielding effect. After calculating the shielding effect, what is the effective nuclear charge? Fine. I already explained you that why 4s is filling before than 3d. You just focus about n plus L value, no problem at all. But still you can calculate. Still you can calculate through Slachter's rule or shielding effect. Z effective is equal to Z actual minus S. You put up the value S through the Slachter's rules. You can calculate the Z effective rule. So you can find out that why these energy cells are in according that order. Fine. According to Horn's rule, that why half-filled orbitals are stable, why full-filled orbitals stable, due to exchange energy, due to symmetrical charge distribution. Due to exchange energy, due to symmetrical charge distribution. And now about its Pauli's exclusion principle. Fine. This is about determinate value calculation or the mathematical assumption. So you find out that one orbital maximum of 2 electrons, and that will be in opposite spin. Whether it is parallax spin or same spin, that psi value is 0. So that things never exist. And one orbital have maximum 2 electrons. If we extend it to 3, 4 like that, the determinant value is 0. That is also doesn't exist. So these 3 rules are very important for electronic configurations, for filling the electrons in orbitals. So now you can have briefly idea about all the things, all the electronic configurations, how these electrons are arranged, how these energy levels are arranged, how we fill the electrons in different orbitals. So you can find out these things. Okay. I just simply say one thing, that we discuss models, we discuss Bohr's model, the calculation of energy, calculation of radius. We discuss different theories, Planck's quantum theory, Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, photoelectric effects. We discuss the briefly small idea about the quantum numbers, the iteration of electron. We discuss different rules for filling the electrons in the orbitals. Fine. We have now a little bit about this chapter of what is node, that is no electron density, what is about simply the angular node, radial node, what are the shape of the orbitals. Okay, the application of quantum numbers. Okay, we'll do some questions now, fine, about these things. I hope you understand all the things. So now turn to the questions. There are 2 questions. Okay, fine. The orbital angular momentum for an electron revolving in an orbit is given by something. This is the formula. Fine. This is the formula for orbital angular momentum. The momentum for an s electron. Simple. Given the formula is here. Fine. So also information about the s electron. What is the value of L for S? Simply that is about 0. That is about 0. L equal to 0, S, L equal to 1, P, L equal to 2, D like that. So for S equal to 0, you can put the value here 0, 0 plus 1, something like that. That is about simply for S of cell, L equal to 0, the orbital angular momentum, that is about, find out 0. Fine. If that is for P orbital, you put up here 1, if D orbital 2, like that. Okay. So simple सी question है, आप समझ जाओगे, इस पे कोई problem नहीं है. Okay, fine. Just there is a formula there. Just put up the value for this electron. Here it's about S, so you can put 0. If V, that is about 1. Okay. Second question है, which set of quantum number is correct for electrons in 4f subcell? याद रखना एक चीज, जब भी आप क्वेश्चन करते हो, सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है, फाइन, 4 ऑप्शन, there are 4 options. So first eliminate options. You interrelate these questions with that options and eliminate. This is about simply 4f. So what is the principal quantum number? About 4. Azimuthal quantum number simply for L equal to n minus 1, that is simply 3. Now you can put up the value of L equal to 3, that is about simply f. Okay. So there are 4 options. When there n equal to 4, L equal to 3. This is not like that, this is not like that. So these 2 options are eliminated. Fine. In between 2. For m equal to, you know that from minus value to maximum value, for L value, for f, L equal to 3. So minus 3 to plus 3. But here, that is about simply m equal to minus 4. So simply here m equal to minus 4, but ये तो ऑप्शन एलिमिनेटेड हो गया है. सिंपली A और C पे आप देख लो, n equal to 4, L equal to 3, n equal to 4, L equal to 3, m equal to plus 4. This is not about f. Fine. But this is about f. 1 simply s छोड़ दीजिए, n4, L3 और m1. Minus 3, minus 2, 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2. Okay, plus 3. This for f orbital. Fine. Simply, so 4f, n equal to 4, L equal to 3. अब दोनों एलिमिनेट कर दिए ऑप्शन, फिर m equal to like that. But here the value simply n4, L3, n4, L3. These options are for that. These 2 options are eliminated first, and then after m equal to plus 4, so that is eliminated. So what is the right answer about that is C. Okay, this is a simple, very simple questions. These types of questions generally that you just focus for this examination. Okay, this type of questions. Fine. I just want to say one thing. We are doing online classes. Fine. Recorded classes. After your NEET exam, we organize a live classes. दैट इज फॉर ए इंट्रैक्शन, इसीलिए हम थोड़ा कंसेप्ट डालते हैं यहाँ पे। लेकिन जब आप लाइव क्लास करोगे, जब फिजिकली क्लास होगा, डेफिनेटली डोंट वरी अबाउट सिलेबस, आप जस्ट ऑलवेज फोकस अबाउट योर वर्क, नॉट आवर वर्क. We know our work, we definitely assure you we complete all the things within the time. We give you a lot of questions. There are very good pattern also. Fine. First of all, you have a class in the morning, okay? Then in the middle session we'll give you 50 questions related to that class. You just solve here. There are doubt clearing classes also. You can clear the doubts. Again you go for a second classes. Again we provided 50 to 70 objectives that related to that classes. Fine. There are a lot of tests there. Simply daily test, cumulatives, monthly test. Fine. Before crash course, in every day you face an objective. Okay. That is a practice for you. जब हम offline करेंगे और live classes also we are organizing after 13 September. That is also a platform for interaction with students perfectly. अगर बीच में अगर आपको डाउट होगा तो आप पूछ सकते हो लाइव क्लास में. वी आर ऑर्गेनाइजिंग सून, दैट्स व्हाई वी जस्ट गिव हियर सम कांसेप्ट्स आर देयर. फाइन. ओके. जब लाइव क्लासेस होगा, जब फिजिकली क्लासेस होगा, वी आर सिंपली क्या बहुत सारे सिलेबस को कवर करने की कोशिश करेंगे. बट डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट सिलेबस, सिंपली दैट इज कंप्लीटेड विद इन द टाइम. ये होता आ रहा है, आगे भी होगा. फाइन. दैट इज आवर वर्क. ये आपका नहीं, आपका है, आपका पढ़ना, वो हमारे रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है और हम उस चीज को बड़ी अच्छी तरीके से निभाएंगे. डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. वी डेफिनेटली डू अवर रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. ओके. दिस इज डैम श्योर. आप आपका पढ़ाई जारी रखिए. फाइन. जस्ट फोकस अबाउट दिस क्वेश्चंस. ओके. आई विल सेंड थ्रू पीडीएफ. आई विल सेंड थ्रू डिफरेंट क्वेश्चंस. ओके. यू कैन कम अक्रॉस a lot of questions. Don't worry about that. Every day you experienced from our side definitely about 100 questions every day. Fine. Or the excluding some different tests like MCQs in daily test, in cumulative, in a monthly test, like that. We have a very organized schedule with all syllabus. Okay. हम आपको दे देंगे. In each day you know the schedule. क्या पढ़ाएंगे, जो टीचर्स आते हैं वो आपको पहले से ही मालूम होगा और वो चेंज नहीं होगा. और क्या एग्जाम है वो भी आपको पहले से ही मालूम होगा. क्या क्या टॉपिक द टीचर टॉट यू वो आपको पहले से ही मालूम होगा. वो सब प्री प्लान है. बस अब है जब क्लासेस स्टार्ट होगा आपको मिल जाएगा. फाइन. एंड यू गो अकॉर्डिंगली दैट. लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आर देयर, ऑर्गेनाइज्ड सिलेबस आर देयर. फाइन. 24/7 doubt clearing faculties are there. I hope we give our 100% for your betterment. I know some situations are required, and some things are also required, that your doubt clear and syllabus within the time. We focus about that. We give you a much more information. We conduct enormous tests. That is what is beneficial for your NEET exam. Fine. You just trust us. We hope you.